Yeah, in your folder, anyone don't have the practice file, let me know. It was emailed to you. Okay, unsecret. There's a file called absolute. Okay, open for me. Now, but before we proceed with this, before you do this for me, okay, I just want to confirm. Do you all know what Office version you all are using? 365. Everyone using 365? Anyone don't know what they're using? Okay, easy method to check, yeah? Okay. You go to File. Oh, my left screen cannot see, yeah? Click File, Account. Okay, you can see what you're using here. 365. Anyone not using 365? Put your hands up. Tell me what you have. What is it, sir? Huh? Oh, my latest also. Anybody else not using 365 for 2021? Okay, anyone else not using 365? What is it? LTS. For student okay. 2019 is one level before 2021. What are you? You go to projector Wi-Fi. Okay. And then your password is all smaller M A G 2021. M Elias G. No, this M. Show me. Not A. Elias. M A G 2021. Okay. So anyone else not using 365 for 2021? Suman 365, yeah. You know what? What are you using? Okay, 2021. Must be can lah. Cannot do what. Okay. Now, actually, do you know what is the 2021 and 365 is the latest? Do you know what's the difference if I say both are latest? When it's a 4-digit and it's a 3-digit. When you see 2021 or 2019, the level before it, when you buy your laptop, you get the license with it. So it's with you permanently. Many years down the road, we still haven't seen license. 365 normally let us trainers or companies they buy, but every year you renew. Okay, so that's 365. Okay, yes. All right, let's sort it out. Joyce, you okay? Unzip the file. You know what? I wanted to check your version. There are certain topics that is only meant for the 365. Later when I show you. So then you take note. But not really. Angela, okay? Not okay. Okay, not okay. Okay, okay. Okay, so guys, do this for me. Back here. Okay, come to this first file. Very basic. I believe you all will know this. If you know this, then I won't waste time on this part, right? I want to know what is my commission. Okay, commission is 15% of total sales, right? So what you do is you do a formula here, referencing your what is this? D8. Okay, reference your D8 in your formula, then copy to your right. Below you copy to your right, your answer will run. Okay? But you must reference your D8 in the formula. You do not type 50%. Okay? Copy to your right, your answer will run. Let's see you know what to do about it. Okay?
with asset.